Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with the car on and the iDrive display showing the active route. First, place your right hand on the iDrive controller so you can navigate menus quickly. Once done, locate the steering wheel cancel or resume button if equipped, otherwise use the iDrive menu. You do this because the system accepts either direct steering wheel cancel or a menu command. Using the wheel is faster in traffic, while the menu gives confirmation on screen. Now perform the cancel. If your BMW has a steering wheel cancel button, press it briefly to stop guidance immediately. If not, twist and press the iDrive controller. Navigation, route, then cancel route. Make sure to select OK when prompted. Once you press cancel, the system removes turn prompts and recenters the map. You do this to avoid unintended rerouting. Using the on-screen confirmation prevents accidental cancellation while driving. Finish by checking the display. There should be no next turn banner or active route line. If guidance still appears, make sure you confirm the cancel. If confirmed and persistent, restart iDrive by holding the volume/power button for 20-30 seconds or cycle ignition. This clears temporary glitches. If the route reappears after reboot, update your map software or contact BMW service, because corrupted route data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.